back to our Monday Live. It's Monday Live with MJ and attorney Hermes, where we kick off the week on a brighter side.
We did a video last week about 4th of July, the essence of 4th of July, celebrating freedom. We also did a video about, on our lean section, about our nutritious and delicious lobster on our celebration for the 4th of July.
However, on our live coverage, we covered about how is Check This Out Pro. What do? We basically elevate ordinary people who adapt in everything in moderation and a balanced life in these 4 aspects: spiritual, emotional, physical, and social. Those are, for us, our extraordinary purpose. Speaking of, what did we have for 4th of July?
Your favorite, lobster.
Lobster, yum! Freedom, celebration of freedom.
Or free will. Are they the same?
Yes, I was just thinking about it. They're the same. They're both of them give us the ability to choose. Freedom and free will.
You mean the power to choose? Who doesn't love power?
Freedom, however, refers to the external, the absence of the external constraints on our actions. No one can stop us. Like right here, right now, we have the freedom to talk to you guys, freedom of communications.
Whereas free will is about the internal. It's about the internal ability to make good choices.
Wow, that's about the freedom and free will? Not really, because freedom, like all of us here, freedom is man-made and it is regulated by man. It's earned, something that we earn. We have to work for it.
Whereas free will is given by God and not regulated.
Which one do you like, freedom or free will?
But what is freedom? Like, where does it come from and how do you apply it?
Freedom is about giving the space for a conscious choice around the world.
Whereas free will is about making conscientious choices from within, our own ability to determine right and wrong.
For me, doing this freedom and free will, I'm beginning to appreciate the gift of free will.
And one of the things that we actually talked about with free will is when you are making those choices, actually exercise free will in a good way in the beginning, we wouldn't have had to struggle and fight to get those freedoms back. What do you think, MJ?
How do we do it with freedom and free will? I guess it's about like when we are in the depths of temptation, what did we choose? Did we choose to win over the temptation and triumph over it? Or did we choose to fall? And a lot of us have to really, really pray and gain more of that discernment as to what we should choose between right or wrong. As my favorite prayer from Saul, give me the ability to discern and govern your people, but with us, give us the ability on how to be just. The question is, how much did you sell your soul at a moment, at a certain temptation? But little bit of everything that we work towards winning and temptations and choosing to really use that free will in a godly way, then that's for me the best way to use our free will. But we don't ever have to fight for freedom at all or gain it back.
Very great insight. Next week, we're going to dive a little bit deeper into this topic, and we'd love to know your thoughts, your questions for next week, and we can incorporate them into our video. So we want to know what you think. We'd love to hear from you.
We've been doing 8,000 steps before 8 a.m. Today it's 8:02, and we're only at 3,500.
But we'll hit 8,000 by the time we get back to the car.
Enjoy your Monday, guys. Stay positive and enjoy the gift of
freedom
and free will. Ciao, everybody. See you next time.
We're going to go enjoy the rest of this walk. Thanks for watching our video today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. If you'd like to follow us on our other social media links, they're right here. Have a great day.